Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today's I'm gonna show you that how can you connect your database with your Codeigniter for applications. We create a database and we connect the database in Codeigniter form. For those persons who just join us on our YouTube channel, I request them please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. So now go to the app and go to the controller sections, right click, now new, and it's a class. Now I'm saying my builder, first letter is capital, my builder or my query. Okay, we have created a class. Now I'm saying extends to controller. Okay, now I'm saying it's an index method and I'm saying echo, working. Now if I access my query controller, as you can see it's saying working fine. Okay, now I'm going to close this one. Make sure this is the helper class and we have used all the built-in helpers and all the procedural functions related with that helpers, and all the code is available here. So that's why I always say so you can easily get the code. Okay, now how can you connect with your database? We have two ways to connect your database. Now I'm saying go to the config folder, database, and connect with my database. Now I'm saying this is the DB. Make sure this is the DB. Go to the page, refresh the page, working fine. Now if you write the query without the query builder, so now I'm saying this query, write your query here. Now I'm saying select asterisk from students, and now I'm saying this is the result, and var this bad boy, that means result. Sorry, go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see it's retrieving the results. Now if you go to the config folder and now open the database.php file and write your wrong database. So now go to the page, refresh the page, it will give you the error. So that's why I was saying that it will give you the error. Okay, in my previous lectures. Okay, fine, it's working fine. Now it's giving you the whole object. Now we need the results. How can you get the results? So we have a method because it's object. Okay, now call the method get result. So it will give you the results. So you can see 4 results are coming from the database. So open the data grid, so you can see 4 results are here. So John, Alex, Maria, and Shexy. Okay, now 4 results. So you can see how can you retrieve these results. So now I'm saying for each, and you have to define this here, comment this bad boy, and now I'm saying student, because it will give you the object. So now I'm saying write your column's name. So this is the SID, SName, SSubject, SH, and SState. I'm saying SID. Make sure I'm going to clone name, subject, and also the age and also the date. Fine. So go to the page, refresh the page, working fine. You have to echo your records. Echo, 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 and also echo, and also echo this bad boy. I'm saying that break the row. Now go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, the one record is one ID, John. So age is this, and this is the date. Okay, I'm going to remove this one, BRs. So now go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's giving you the record. So that's why we have added the BR. Okay. You can also specify that this is the ID, but generally idea you can get the results like this. Okay, now you are getting the results as a object. So as you can see, this is the object. What happens if you need all the results as an array? So how can you do that? I'm saying that I'm going to cut this bad boy. Now we have another method, get result as array. So it will give you the array. Now if you write this code, it will give you the error. Go to the page, refresh the page. Why? Because you are retrieving the data as an array. So now you have to use the array like this, array like this, and also the array like this. And why it was not giving you the error? Because this is the alpha version, so they are still working on it, and definitely it will give you the error once they have the stable version. Refresh the page. Okay, so now as you can see, it's giving you the results, same results. So in this way you can get the results. So similarly you can also perform the standard insert or delete or something like this. So this is the standard query. So guys, in this way you can connect your database with your applications, with your Codeigniter 4 applications. So I hope guys you are enjoying our series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.